Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, crypto and NFT investor. So, as you all know, Bitcoin is under 65K, and the entire crypto market has been pushed down. So, we're going to be talking about that. And if you guys get something out of this, if you enjoy it for even a second, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below whatever questions you guys have regarding this channel, the markets, the suit. Tell you guys, actually, I'm not going to tell you guys where I got the suit because the Moose is one of a kind. Okay, so we got St. Michael here to protect us from the bear market, and we got to buy the dip. That's the only move I can see. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. If you guys have an extra $1,000 laying around like the Moose always does somehow, you know, where are you going to allocate those dollars? Maybe I can inspire you guys to figure it out. But first, you need to drink some coffee. You got to subscribe to the Moose. Okay, a lot of you that are watching, for whatever reason, you're not subscribed to the Moose. It's fine. It's okay. Nothing bad's going to happen. If anything, you're going to become richer, smarter. You're going to probably be in a suit, or at least a blazer, like the Moose does. So there's only added benefits. There's nothing bad that can happen. Okay? I mean, you could lose 30% every couple days in the crypto market, but anyways, so yeah, we have a lot of cool videos that have come out. If you guys want to see the first look, my thoughts and opinions on the new Trezor, it's basically replaced the Model T and so on. We have tons of videos for you. But you guys are here for the market update, I assume, not just the Moose. So Bitcoin at 64,500. On the week, we're down 3%, which is quite a bit for Bitcoin. On the day, almost 2%. ETH under 3,400. But the alts is where it begins to get ugly. So XRP doing all right now. Solana down 10% on the week. Dogecoin down 14% for all you degens. And that's the safest degen pick, really. I mean, I used to own Dogecoin a long time ago. That was before Elon did that infamous tweet talking about it, on SNL. So, I'm very familiar with the meme coin space. I had like 10,000 tokens for like $19 at the time, and it went nuts. So I got out at like 40, 50 cents. It hasn't even been back there. ETA at 12% down, basically. So not doing great, but it's another buying opportunity. If you guys believe in crypto, and I'll get into what I believe is happening. I also want to talk about just kind of where we're at, my thoughts and opinions. I just want to, let loose, have some fun a little bit. We'll get into the top 15. Shiba, I mean, it's a meme. It's going to be down. AVAX, not a lot of narratives. Tron I've been using with Tangem, so get those sexy referral links from you guys. And by the way, if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, use the coupon code MOOSE. And actually, got a Tangem in my pocket. So when I'm out and about, I do like to use my Tangem. So that's no joke. I really do like this wallet. We also have links for Trezors and more. So if you guys want to pick one up, use that. Also, follow on Twitter. You guys get the latest news and updates for things. Then we have DOT down 10%. Chainlink down 10%. Good buying opportunities here. The top layer ones, that's what you want to be looking at. Long term, even from now, it's my opinion that owning the best layer ones, like the ones that have been a little more established, the Ethereums, right? Possible ETF coming out soon. Solana's, the Cardano's 100%. DOT, Chainlink, Bitcoin. Those are the big boys. Those are the ones that will be around, most likely. So that's something you do want to consider, especially as I've been investing for a while. The degen stuff's fun, but you have to realize that it's going to take years, potentially. And this is what it's been like, right? You guys have seen the memes of, oh, you've been in crypto for 5 years, you must be rich. It's like, no, dude, like I was able to buy a suit, but now I can't tailor it because we're down 45%, right? So it's fine. It's the way the market goes, right? So I've been catching up on all the dips. I got 8 at 25 cents last time. That's fine, right? Even Kopi I picked up. My average buy is like 2 cents. We're still at 6 cents. It's fine. We could go down to 2 cents. Who knows? But most likely not at this point. But it's something to keep in mind, okay? So I just want to share that with you. Now let's get into the rainbow chart. Okay, so the pride chart, whatever what you guys want to call it. So this is I don't know, it's pretty infamous, pretty famous, but basically it gives you somewhat of a visual representation of the highs and lows of Bitcoin and the cycles. So let's go through this a little bit. So by the way, right now we are June 18th. So we are in Pride Month, I believe. So June 18th of 2024. So what we're looking at are the cycles. So Bitcoin, basically people look at it in 4-year cycles, right? Because the halving happens every 4 years. That's where the amount of remaining supply, when you're mining for it, it gets reduced in half. So instead of earning, what is it, like 6 Bitcoin or 6.25 Bitcoin per block reward, you would earn 3.125. Then it's like 1.75. Then it's, beyond the Moose's capability. So, yeah, that's what's important. So, Bitcoin, typically a couple months after the halving, it begins to go into a bull market. So we just crossed the halving point. And if you look here from 2016, basically Bitcoin let's look at the Bitcoin is dead. So like the low point here, Bitcoin was at 600, 500, and it just went up to, what was it, 20,000? I thought it was at the peak, but let's say 10, 15,000. And then in 2020, right, Bitcoin crashes, and then when the halving comes, 8 to 10, and just starts going up to new all-time highs to 50. So now, what do you think will happen next, right? This is kind of like a visual representation. So, we've gone up to all-time highs, crash, and every cycle is different, but now a lot of people speculate that we're going to remain around 50, 60, and then slowly go up to new all-time highs. I assume we're probably going to get into, probably not the red zone, but we could probably assume a yellow zone. Something like $250,000, $300,000 Bitcoin by 2025 summer. That's kind of what I assume. So comment down below if you agree with that. That's kind of what I think is going to happen. So based on this infamous chart, and it's all kind of mathematical, that's what we're seeing here. And typically it's a good time to sell, what is that, like a year or so after the halving. So the top of the cycle is probably going to be summer 2025, probably this time next year. So that's what it's looking like. I mean, we could also go up quickly, more swiftly, or we could begin to teeter towards the bottom in an infamous fashion. So we don't know. But we do want to get up here because the moose needs more suits. The moose needs a tangent ring when it comes out, okay? Not going to get married, but I'm going to buy a tangent ring, that's for sure. All right, so guys, comment down below. What do you think is going on with the market? I think ultimately, too, because I haven't talked about that as much, I think this is normal behavior. You have to understand that with crypto or any type of investment, you got to be in for the long term. So time in the market really is true, right? You look at the best investors. Sometimes people catch things and they get lucky, but they're only lucky because they've positioned themselves to be in the proper opportunities, right? So in crypto, if you're in here, okay, let's take a look at Ethereum for an example. The first, biggest, best, really general, all-purpose based blockchain, right? You're looking at smart contract blockchain. So you can have self-executing things happening with the chain. So, here they have like information and stuff when ETH 2.0 happened. Anyways, we are most likely going to see an Ethereum ETF only if the Moose approves it. So comment down below, should the Moose approve the Ethereum ETF? I've been trying to protect ADA, but I think it'd be fun to let loose. Let ETH take the reins on that. So let me know. It's been up to me. I've been getting the phone calls in my ear all day. Like, hey, Moose, like, can we proceed with this? I'm like, BlackRock, hold on. I don't know yet. I'm thinking a Kopi or Meld ETF first, and they want to go with the ETH ETF. They have a lot more power than I do at this point, but they do have to go through the Moose first. So Let me know if the Moose should give him a ring and tell him, hey, green light. Go ahead. But I'm trying to negotiate. I'm doing my best. Okay, the Moose is doing his best right now. Trying to get the COPE ETF. I think SNEC should be the next ETF, but whatever. The market's corrupt. So comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Can't make everybody happy. Still have alimony. Got to pay my wife, ex-wife, forget which one, 100 SNEC a week. It's driving me crazy. She doesn't even hodl it. Buys a bunch of crap with it. New furniture. All right. So where are we at? We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, basically down now. I just think it's a good buying opportunity. So really, we're at a point where this is normal behavior. It's kind of tough, you know. It sucks waking up and you're down 40%, you know, and your family's like, you know, like, this guy's an idiot. But just the way it goes. Because I'm telling you, Christmas. This Christmas, a lot of you are going to be sitting at the Christmas table smiling. You're going to be the one with the turkey. Okay? You're going to be cutting that turkey, just looking at everybody. Like, you guys didn't even buy the dip. You fools. You peasants. Okay? So that's my wish for you guys. I'm mostly joking, but you guys get the point. So guys, with that being said, check out the link tree. I've reorganized this. I worked endlessly for 30 minutes to update this. I still have an eye infection, so that's been driving me nuts. But COPE file notes tier 6 is open. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. Pick up a tangent. Subscribe to the Moose. What else do you have to do? Peace.